Alam mo, ginagago tayo nitong Chinese national to. Marunong ka ba Tagalog at magbisaya eh? Kunwari lang, hindi ka marunong eh. I know you understand Tagalog and the Visayan language. Ginagago mo kami eh.
So before, a few years ago, there was a police who offered me and asked me if I want to buy a gun.
Who is that police?
According to Mr. Yang that I asked a while ago, so he doesn't know the name, the English name, because he doesn't know English.
Alam mo, ginagago tayo nitong Chinese national to. Marunong ka ba Tagalog at magbisaya eh? Kunwari lang, hindi ka marunong eh. I know you understand Tagalog and the Visayan language. Ginagago mo kami. You're making a fool out of us Filipinos here.
Senator Joel.
Yes, Madam Chair. It's really saddening na kung paano tayo paiikutin at babastusin lang nitong mga Chinese nationals na ito. Madam Chair, let me also ask, nung nahuli po kayo, Mr. Tony Yang, when you were arrested in Cagayan de Oro Airport, marami hong nakakita na naghatid sa inyo, naka-escort po kayo ng mga kapulisan nung September 19. May we know kung sino itong mga nag-escort sa inyo? Bakit kayo ine-escort ng kapulisan?
OK， 杨先生有一个问题，就是在9月19号，你在卡嘎yan机场被抓到的时候，你旁边有一些警察陪着你，请问这些警察是谁？而且他们为什么要陪着你？
在哪里？
就是在卡嘎yan机场被抓到的时候，9月19号。
我都不是在卡加延机场被抓，我在马尼拉机场啊，都没有警察陪着我啊。
So it was in Manila Airport when I was caught, and there was no police who was with me.
Anyway, I don't expect you to answer this committee honestly, but I just hope that you rot in jail